character development and psychology. Hi, this is Mark Diaz for 2danimation101.com, and in this lesson, we will learn about character psychology. Okay, let's get started. A character has to be believable. Even if it's a cartoon, you need the audience to believe that the character is alive. It has to need to get something. To achieve this, you need to work on probably one of the most important elements of your character, your character's personality. You can check a short video from Sydney who talks about personality in the 5th episode of the Art of Character Animation. You can find that video in the training center of our website, 2danimation101.com. Now, if you want to really get it done, hang on the following lessons. Golden knowledge is coming your way. Let's talk about character personality. In the 1930s, Walt Disney discovered that characters with no personality were boring. They had nothing interesting to offer to the audience. Okay, so far we got boring characters and nothing interesting. Okay, those are the good news. Want to hear the bad news? We live in the 21st century and many animators are still doing animation with characters who have no personality, even after all the efforts and secrets that Walt and his team uncovered. But lucky you, I have compiled all of my research notes and created a process. So, to have interesting characters, we need to give them personality. And for that, you just have to answer the basic question, the most important question of all. What does your character want to get or achieve? That very basic question will get things going in your character development. Now, for those of you who want to really stand out and create memorable characters, let's dig even deeper. Once you know what your character wants to get, you can give her a way to get it. How? With a set of personality traits. According to a theory by Briggs-Myers, there are 16 personality types, but we will keep it simple and just determine 4 basic areas of personality, so we can define our character quickly. Just answer 4 questions and your character will have a very strong personality. Ready? Okay, let's give your character's personality some love. First question. How is your character energized? Is he or she extroverted or introverted? This one refers to the way your character gets energized. Does he or she like to interact with other people or prefers to be by himself or herself? For example, if your character is an inventor, you could have her be an introvert because she likes to be solving math problems and formulas by herself in her lab. No interruptions, please. But if she was an explorer and liked to travel around the world, then she would be an extrovert. She would enjoy meeting different people with different cultures. Deciding if your character is an introvert or extrovert can give you a clue of her hobbies, interests, or regular activities, and also give you a very strong foundation on how your character interacts with other characters. Great! You now have one area of his or her personality. Nice! That's it for this lesson. Now that we covered the first basic area, the first question of personality traits, let's move to the next lesson, in which we will check the second question, which covers the things that your character naturally pays attention to. See you there!